friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Mama bought new bikes for both of us. Siara bike needs assembly, so Mama doing it. It's a radio flyer, 4-in-1 Stroll and Trike with activity tray. Convertible tricycle. My one is 10-20-inch girl's child bike. I love my bike color. Siara also likes her first tricycle.
The name Monalisa Siara, I got this one. Let's go! Let's go!
I love my bike. It's my favorite color. My old bike was 16-inch. This one is 20. Siara also playing with her tricycle activity tray. Both bikes are very good. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned.